Shut up, Cave.
Outlaw prospect years ago and we didn't want to destroy the Kremlin.
Well, I made an arrangement with the guy here. He's a greedy asshole, but we can't do anything about that. Take my spare filter. We need to get up to the surface. Great. Let's go then. I think you already know the way.
Everyone reads me. Respond. It's Moscow. Market Underground Station.
There should be survivors in St. Petersburg. Some of the metro stations are even better than ours. I went there once.
As if you don't know.
There were these huge iron
fuck
gates
and
that
get out.
the train arrived. Along with the...
I've already paid, Mike.
I later learned that during the
didn't pay
construction of
me.
the same track,
But if you
half
don't
the
want to
men
go
on his
through...
team were eaten by something. All
Shit.
their tools.
A pleasure doing business with you.
This
Alright.
Of course.
Just kidding.
But they did install those iron gates just to be safe. I can't imagine.
Get ready, everyone! The gate's opening!
Are you sure, Commander?
Take your positions! Cover me!
I picked up a transmission from the
I hate this so much.
They were home base of Brewers. Those tanks were shielded against radiations of these guys headed east from Moscow. They barreled through the neighboring villages, examining up just get going.
Well, it looks quiet.
It looks clear! Go!
Spasiba.
When we emerged into the ruins of
Be really careful now. And here we meet a happy citizen. Stalkers. Those crazy devils come to the surface almost every day, looking for scrap, ammo, anything they can dig in. Sometimes you find the dead ones frozen stiff, like snow within rags. Search the room carefully. You might find another cache. They all make hideouts for themselves on the surface. So just take a careful look around, and we'll have no problems with spare filters and ammunition whatsoever. What have we got here? A filter. That will surely come in handy. Some ammo. Great. Thanks, friend. Ready? Let's go. We've got to reach the air shaft, which we'll use to get to Price Station. Then we go our separate ways, and you'll get my AK like I promised. Hi, kid! Stay hidden. If we meet the beast in the open, crawl into the nearest crevice. Some people call these demons. I call them bitches. So that's the dead city. Welcome home, Artyom. I'll get you. Now that's what I call rotten luck.